Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some
SUFFERIN SUCCOTAsh.
at the pit, and it's real easy to do. That's right. We're cooking up some succotash, something your Vegematic friends will love. Just serve them up a big bowl and tell them they're just going to have to pick out the pork belly bacon in it. Otherwise, it's Vegematic. All right. Oh, man. So we've got about a half a pound of pork belly bacon in there. It's all chopped up fine. And to that, we're adding a whole onion chopped up. And you just want to cook these down just a bit. Oh, man, it smells good already. Now we're going to season it. We're using our SPG. It's got some salt, pepper, garlic in there. Use a seasoning. And for this recipe, you're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Oh, yeah. Now, if you've never had SUFFERIN Succotash before, you definitely got to check this out. This is some good eating at the pit. Goes with any main dish you're serving. Oh, man, are you kidding me? You know it smells good, right? All right, so it's succotash. So it means lima beans. So here we've got about 6 15-ounce cans of baby limas. Use the smaller lima if you can. Oh, real easy recipe. Quick to cook up. Perfect for any pit. Oh, yeah. This is like art. And if it isn't, well, you're on the wrong damn channel now, right? All right. So, to that, we're just going to add some water to surface, because we're going to be simmering those baby limas for a little bit till they get tender. Yeah. And for you keyboard food cops who are already pissing and moaning that we're throwing cans in the yard and not picking it up, we do. All right. Take a look at that. Slow simmer. And we just want to cook those baby limas until they get tender. Oh, yeah. And in no time at all, we're going to add the sweet corn. Again, we've got 6 15-ounce, more or less, cans of sweet corn. I'm going to throw that in. Oh, man. You watch those hate comments coming about throwing the cans on the ground. Our pit, our recipe, our cleanup cruise. All right, mix that sweet corn in there. I told you this was going to be easy. Oh, man. Add a little more liquid if required. Oh, man. Now I season it up with some SPG. You can see some of those red pepper flakes in there. Gives it a very slight background heat. And again, let it simmer, and here come the food cops. All right, little time has gone by. Doesn't take long at all. The beans are tender, and it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Are you kidding me? Who says the Pit Boys don't eat veggies? All right. Now I'm going to tell you what. You're going to go through this pot real quick. There's a lot of energy in there. Man. Yeah. Thumbs up. This succotash takes kindly for some added heat. So we're going to put a little bit of our chipotle habanero in there. Use your favorite heat. Oh yeah, perfect. Succotash, perfect for the main meal, right? Oh, perfect. Now I know we could have really shortened this video up to about what, 2 minutes? But nah. This is our show. We're just gonna enjoy every bit of this. And for those who are impatient, they've been long gone anyway. So to get this recipe, head on over to our website, as you know. And if you haven't already, sign up a chapter. We'd be proud to have you. Oh, man. We've got about 18,000 chapters in over 100 countries. Oh, man. And the chapters will send us recipes. Oh, yeah, well done. So, of course, without saying, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.